For years, these homeowners enjoyed their pool, but it felt lacking, not quite the lively connection with nature that they yearned for. And as time went on, the pool area lost its appeal. They dreamed of something more: moving water, playful moments with their dogs, a deeper sense of peace. Then a visit to Modern Design Aquascaping's Oasis changed everything. Inspired by the beautiful displays and natural features, they began envisioning a transformation, a space that truly brought nature into their backyard. They reached out to Modern Design for help. After a few months of designing and dreaming, they agreed to move forward with a transformational design, a complete backyard makeover that would make their outdoor living dreams come true. And together with the Adams family, they crafted an aquatic paradise. Now with a stunning water feature that flows into their outdoor kitchen and living area, their space has come to life. Surrounded by water, fish, wildlife, they redefined their outdoor experience, creating a vibrant ecosystem that has become the heart of their home. A 15 by 15 foot pond with a 25-foot stream, boulders, driftwood, and aquatic plants blending seamlessly, while underwater lighting brings it all to life. The result? A stunning retreat where James and Shannon can relax and enjoy nature every day.